Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Fusion and I will show you starter, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Ford Fusions made from 2010 all the way up to 2012. Now, if your vehicle is not starting and you suspect starter is the problem, before you decide to replace the starter, make sure to check the fuse and the relay, just because that's quite easy and fast to change and very cheap to replace. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, very easy accessible, just next to the battery, right here. Now, to lift the cover, you will have a small black tab. You want to press it and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. The starter fuse is fuse number 5, which is a 30 amp fuse located up here, and the starter relay is relay number 55, which is this big relay right here. Now, the best way to test the relay is using a multimeter, or other option you can just try to replace it with any other of the same kind and see if it makes a difference. So once again, you want to check this fuse and this relay, and hopefully this will be the problem and you won't have to do any more work. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.